Good morning, children. Today we are going to do about page formatting. Making changes to the setting of pages is called page formatting. The page layout tab in Word 2010 is used for page formatting. पेज फॉर्मेटिंग पेज की जो सेटिंग चेंज करते हैं उसको ही पेज फॉर्मेटिंग कहते हैं. मीन्स उसका लेआउट्स, उसके मार्जिन्स. ओके, margins are amount of white space between the text and the edge of the page on your right. The default setting for top, bottom, left and right margin in Word 2010 is 1 इंच, यानी 1 इंच की डिफ़ॉल्ट मार्जिन होती है. 1 इंच टॉप से उसको ब्लैंक स्पेस मिलता है, एक राइट से, लेफ्ट से और बॉटम से भी. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज अ स्टेप टू चेंज द मार्जिन. अब मार्जिन चेंज करने के स्टेप्स है ये. क्लिक द पेज लेआउट टैब. सबसे पहले पेज लेआउट टैब पे क्लिक करना है. here wait a while, this is the page layout, the fourth one tab, this tab, page layout. Click here just and then choose page setup group. Click margin. This is page setup and the margin, this is margin. Click here. You can choose different types of margin available here, and you can also customize your margin by clicking this here. Here you can choose a different white space from top, left, bottom and right. You can increase and decrease. Okay, this is the gutter space, portrait and landscape. This is the orientation of page, you can change it. Okay, orientation means this one. This is the portrait view. Okay, and this is landscape. ये लैंडस्केप व्यू है और ये पोर्ट्रेट व्यू है. ओके, it's easy, it's too easy. The page setup, in the drop down list click the type margins you want. Say normal. You want to specify your own margin setting by clicking on margin and click on custom margin. Page setup dialog box appears. Specify top, bottom, left and right margin. Here you have to specify. Okay, top, left, bottom and right margin. Okay, according to this page will be set automatically. Page setup dialog box appears. Okay, and then click OK. It's too easy. I'm going to show you on computer. Wait a while. Okay, here you have to click on page layout. This is page layout. Click here. You can choose margin. Here is a different type of margin. This is the showing the white space between your text and the edge of paper. Okay, left, right, top, bottom. Here is a custom margin. You can specify as your desire. Okay, here you have to specify the top margin, left, bottom, right. Okay, as you change here automatically this will preview show you how changes will affect, and here gonna be changes. Let's have a look. I am increasing. Okay, I am increasing this one, top and the left. I am also increasing the left. Look at here, it is increase and it also decrease if I decrease here. Okay, so I am increasing here and then okay, it's shifted to the right. I increase the left margin, so this is the effect of my margin. I have choose. Okay, it's too easy. Okay, this is the orientation of page. Here is orientations. This is the landscape style, and this is the portrait. Portrait is this, and the landscape is this one. Okay, next is find and replace. Sometimes you may need to search for a particular word or a text in a documents. You may need to replace some words. आपको कभी कभी क्या होता है कि किसी एक वर्ड को रिप्लेस करना होता है. आपके डॉक्यूमेंट में कोई वर्ड बहुत बार आया है, उसको रिप्लेस करके कोई नया वर्ड आपको इंसर्ट करना हो, तो आपको फाइंड और रिप्लेस इंसर्ट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, द फाइंड कमांड कैन बी यूज टू लोकेट ए specific word or text in a document. The replace command is used to replace a specific word or text in a document. ओके। तो रिप्लेस फाइंड कमांड क्या करेगा, वो लोकेट करेगा कहाँ वो स्पेसिफिक वर्ड है, और रिप्लेस उस स्पेसिफिक वर्ड को किसके साथ, किस टेक्स्ट के साथ चेंज करना है या रिप्लेस करना है, वो काम करेगा। ओके, इट्स टू इजी। लेट्स हैव अ लुक। क्लिक on the find options in editing group on the home tab. A drop down menu appears. Select the find option from the menu. Okay, then third step is navigate the pane in options, and on the left side write the word into the text box that you want to search. Press enter key. It will highlight that word into the document with yellow color. Let's have a look. I am going to show you on my laptop. Okay, here we go. Just control. Okay, this is the find options. Here we are going to find school. Okay, just I'll click on the next, find next button. Okay, find next. It will highlighting this school. Okay, if I do again find next, here is the school. If I again find next, here is the school. The word that you want to find, type here and then click on find next. It will show all the word. And if you want to replace with school with college, just type the word. Okay, preschool, PRIMARYSCHOOL. Okay, I want to replace school with primary school, and I replace one by one. Just I have replaced, it will be replaced. Look at here, primary school. This school also change into primary school. Replace. Okay, this is too easy. And also you can show a find dialog with Control plus F and Control plus H. Control plus F for the find options. Okay, it is a shortcut key, and Control plus H for the replace. Okay, this is also shortcut key for replace. It's too easy. Okay, next is bulletin numbering. I will make you learn about it in upcoming videos. Okay, bye.